So we're going to start by creating 4 2-inch by 2-inch squares. The document itself is 4 inches by 4 inches. And the first thing we're going to do is create our squares to fit into the background. We do that by selecting the rectangle tool right here. If you don't currently see the rectangle tool, just make sure you select this. If you were working with ellipse, polygon, or star tool, make sure you select the rectangle tool. So you can do this one of two ways. You simply eyeball this, clicking and dragging. And if you notice the width and the height as you click and drag, if you hold down the shift key, it'll constrain the proportions there. And once you release, you have created roughly around a 2-inch by 2-inch cube. However, though, if you look over here in the top right hand corner, you should see width and height right here. So if you want to insert the specific values, you can do that. I'm going to put 2 inches in the width. And if this is linked together, then the width and the height should be scaled uniformly. But it looks like the link here is broken. So if I hit constrain, there we go. Actually, I'm going to undo that move. Make sure I got my 2 inches by 2 inches. I'll just leave it as it is. 2 inches by 2 inches. There we go. So now I have a 2-inch by 2-inch cube. I'm going to put it into place right here. And then you can go ahead and copy this piece, duplicate this shape 3 more times and move them into place. The other method that you can use is when you're working with the rectangle tool or any of these other shape tools, if you simply click on the screen here or in the work area, I'm just going to click, just tap, not drag, just click. There we go. See right here? You'll get this dialog box which will allow you to insert the values of the width and the height, so you can control that particular, you can control how the object is made. So I just put 2 by 2, 2 inches by 2 inches, and we hit OK, and then my shape is made. Move it into place there, and then I can use the edit copy, edit paste, or I can select the object holding the Alt Option key and move it to duplicate it. Use the keyboard shortcuts copy and paste, and then move all of my objects into shape. And there we go. Now all I have to do is select my shapes. I'm going to click drag to select all of my shapes. For this exercise, we're going to remove the stroke, so I'm going to go up here and select the slash for none, no stroke. And then all I have to do now is color code these items. Select the object, color it, select the object, color it. And that will be it for this point. We'll be moving on to the first objects that we'll place in this section in the next video.